Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to blend pictures in Photoshop using the gradient tool. This is one of my favorite ways of combining pictures, and it's so simple. That's why I love it. It's just a simple click and drag motion to do the entire thing. So the first step to do, this will be the final project, but the first step is to find two pictures that are compatible with each other. So I have this one that I took in Bannack, Montana of this model, and then I took this one in just outside of Rexburg, kind of by the temple. It's a view of our mountain. I think these colors just kind of work together. They're similar. So I thought they would be cool to combine. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to change our mouse to the move tool, which is right here, or it's V. So I'm going to drag this out and then just drag it back in. And it's going to put a layer on this picture. You just match it up like that, and then you can see over here that it says layer 1. So everything's in one document now. It's super simple, nothing's complicated. And then I'm going to go down here to this little rectangle with a circle in it, and this is how you do a layer mask. So it'll change it to that. You can see that change. And then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to use the gradient tool, which is G on your keyboard, or it's right here. It looks kind of blended, so it's super easy to remember. So the linear gradient is the one that I use for this. So this is going to be exposing our background. So when we click and drag, we see this background clear, but it's perfectly blended, like seamlessly with this other picture. Now there's a lot of different options. You can do linear, radial, reflected. There's a lot to choose from. This is kind of cool. You can play with this one. There's a lot of different things you can do. You just kind of have to play around with the pictures that you have because they'll all look different when like certain parts are exposed. And you also want to come down here and look at your foreground and background colors. My foreground is white, but you can change it to be black, and then come back over here and see the difference. See, it kind of pulls from the other side, whereas white shows that. So that's what I went with today. But you can fool around with all of them. They're all different. You can also change your opacity. Mine's at 100 right now, but you can take it down to 25 or something low like that if you want it to look more muted in the back and for it all to, it really has all the same colors. So I like this one too. But for this one today, we're just going to do 100% because I kind of like that clear image of that in the back. So that's basically everything that you need to know about the gradient tool. It's really simple. It's all just about exposing one layer. And you can see down here how it's changed from all white to our gradient kind of blend of that colors. So I hope you guys try it out with some of your pictures. I really like it. It's a really fun process. And just be creative with it.